How to hide your friends on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your friends on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, just swipe right to head over to your friends section. Now to hide your friends, what you'll need to do is long press on your friend that you want to hide. Then there you will see chat and notification settings. Tap on it and there you will see an option to clear from chat feed. Now keep in mind that if you do this, your text history will actually get deleted. So tap on clear from chat history, and after you clear it, there you will see the person is now gone. Now if you want to bring that person back again, tap on the search bar and search for that friend again, and after you find that friend, you can simply text them again. And there you can see they're back. And that's how you hide your friends on Snapchat, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.